All right, so let's say that you're no designer, you don't have time to really make things real beautiful and dazzling, but you know exactly what words you need to have on the page, and you don't want to end up spending somebody else to wait for them to design the perfect page. Well, that's what I'm going to show you what the funnel marketplace is for. It allows you to get good, stunning, pre-designed sales pages or sales funnels, okay? And instead of paying a designer, you can weigh the pros and cons of just paying one-time fee to use somebody else's template that they've already gone through the effort of building for you. Okay, so if you saw what I did there, let me go back just in case you might not have saw it. So I went under funnels and then I went to funnel marketplace. Okay, and that brings me here. One thing you can do is hit find an expert, and that goes to a ClickFunnels certified professional, or you can just shop templates. Okay, depending on what it is that you want to do, you can go through here and find what you want. So let's say that we're looking for a whole funnel, and we want a lead magnet funnel. We can see here some of these are free. Other ones, like, so 10, let's just take a look at this and see if this would be worth it or not. So 10 lead magnet funnels for the price of one bonus 5-step email sequence. So this person's giving away, you get medical doctor, law firm, accountant, gym trainer, dentist, chiropractor, construction, landscaper, real estate, universal business. So they're giving you a whole bunch of pages that they've already done, built. Each one comes with responsive design, email sequences, yada, yada, yada. Okay. So it's up to you to decide if that's something that's worth the investment for you. All right. Um, you can check out some of the free ones first. Let's look at this simple real estate one. And some of these are going to be the same guy. I think this looks like probably, yeah, this is the same guy, but just he's breaking off and breaking apart his package. It's all premium. Restaurant owners is something unique. So let's say that you have a bunch of restaurant clients or something. You can, and this has a little video that you could watch.
Hey everybody.
And they would tell you more about it. But it's a first page thank you page, pretty straightforward, pretty simple. And you got to decide for yourself, is $97 worth your personal time? Could you create or build the same exact thing? Honestly, for myself, I could knock this out way under an hour, and this isn't worth $97 to me. Just to be, forward with it, just depends on what you're doing. Let's see, lead magnet. Same kind of thing, because you still got to rewrite all the copy for it. Let's look at some other ones, okay? Let's talk about, I kind of like looking at the single page templates, because these you could use across different sales funnels. Because you can save the page as a template. And just kind of look through here and see what jumps out to you. An ebook funnel, let's check that out. Look at the whole thing. Some of these are going to be redundant on the pages, and nothing really jumping out. Let's check out a sales. I think they have whole sales pages on here too. Let's just look at sales. All right. And single page. So yeah, you just gotta look through here and see. I just wanted to show you that there is a marketplace that you can kind of get lost in a little bit, and all the different options that you have with it. In time, this will actually, it won't help you. If anything, this is a good place to come to get ideas for your different sales pages. Okay, to maybe look around here, get inspired for what's possible for building your own page. It doesn't mean you necessarily need to buy any of these, but it's a good thing to have an idea. Up here, you have custom design, where you could, these are all certified people that paid Russell a lot of money to be able to say that they're officially certified, okay, to do that. And you could also become a seller if you set up your account rightfully so. All right, so that was just a quick little intro. I actually know Julie. She's so if you had to pick one, I'd say pick Julie. I know her, and then the rest of these people. Stick with somebody that you know that you know. All right, that's it. Use this, like I said, if anything, for getting ideas on templates and designs. Okay.